Hello everyone, our new topic is AC voltage controller. AC voltage controller is used to convert fixed AC to variable AC. What is the meaning of variable AC here is we can vary the magnitude of voltage but we cannot vary the frequency. So frequency will remain constant. There are two techniques used for converting variable AC from the fixed AC. First one is phase control technique and second one is integral cycle control or switch on and off control. In phase control technique, first one is single phase half control AC voltage controller. In such we are using the circuit like here one thyristor is used and in anti-parallel of it one diode is placed. So we can control only positive half cycle and negative half cycle cannot be controlled because we are using diode in negative half cycle. A load, resistive load is connected and supply AC supply is given where we know that AC has fixed magnitude and frequency. For resistive load, the output current and voltage waveform are appear to be same but the magnitude only changes. Here we can see that output voltage have variation and input voltage waveform and current waveform are same as in input. Only output voltage waveform at positive cycle is clipped off from 0 to alpha. Alpha is the angle up to which we have to chop the voltage waveform using the thyristor gate pulse. When we apply the gate pulse, our thyristor will switch on. Before that, our voltage will be chopped. So, the output voltage waveform can be expressed using the average value of output voltage like this. V naught equal to 1 by 2 pi integrate from alpha to 2 pi because 0 to alpha it is 0. Magnitude is Vm sin omega t and it is integrate with respect to omega t. So V naught we get the value Vm by 2 pi cos alpha minus 1. Average value of source current will be equal to average value of output current which will be equal to Vm by 2 pi r cos alpha minus 1. The drawback in single phase half controlled AC voltage controller is that the source current contain DC component and saturate the supply transformer core. Therefore, this type of AC voltage controller are not preferred in general applications. Output RMS voltage can be obtained by using the formula. First we take the square of the waveform, then integrate it to find the average value and then find the root of the square of average value of the RMS voltage. So squaring, then take the average and then take the root. It will known as root mean square. So output RMS will be determined as Vm by 2 root pi under root of 2 pi minus alpha plus half of sin 2 alpha. For resistive load, power factor can be defined as dividing this output RMS to the source RMS. And what is the source RMS? It is Vm by root 2. We will get the power factor like this. But we know that single phase half bridge half control rectifier can saturate the core transformer core, so it will not use practically. We will consider next one is single phase full controlled AC voltage controller. The difference here is in the circuit that in negative cycle also we will use thyristor in place of diode, or we can use in place of two anti-parallel thyristors we will use a single triac. Here we can see the output voltage and current clipped off from 0 to alpha and from pi to pi plus alpha. So voltage is clipped in positive and negative cycle both. We will discuss single phase full control AC voltage controller with different loads in detail in the further video.